Hello, welcome to the Visual Learning video series. I'm Wes Trump, your host during Video 3, Wall and Capacity Merchandising. Today we'll cover the planning and merchandising of wall fixturing. You may stop the video at any time to review or practice a technique. Documents related to this video can be located on the Delaware North Hub website.
Here at Delaware North, we have two basic types of wall layouts, one being a mirrored layout. This type of layout features an array of products that are merchandised on one side of a wall and repeated by the same type of hardware setup on the other half of the wall unit. The second type of layout is a varied layer layout. This gives for a more boutique-style type of look and feel, but still delivers a well-merchandised wall. Now let's go more in depth into how each of these two layouts are achieved. Before we dive into detail on the wall layouts, it's important to address some common principles when merchandising a wall. 1. Establish the 7-foot line. This line acts as a boundary line on how high you would merchandise any product that a guest can reach. Anything above the 7-foot line is considered display or graphic space. 2. After the 7-foot line is established, find the middle of the area in which you are merchandising. Then start building your layout to the left and then continue on the right side of the wall. This will ensure your wall is balanced. 3. Gather any display elements that you plan to use in the wall and place them, such as an oversized graphic, specialty mannequin, or props. Steps of merchandising a wall with the mirrored layer approach. 1. Plan. Identify merchandise assortment and props. 2. Clean. 3. Layout. 4. Merchandise 1. 5. Fill. And 6. Signage. Plan. Identify your product selection. Gather your props and mannequins, or display equipment and large graphics. Clean. Wipe down the wall and surrounding area. Ensure no particles are on the floor. Also wipe down your props and mannequins. Layout. Start to place your product selection on the left side of the center line. Then, start to merchandise your wall. Position where you want certain display elements, such as graphics, mannequins, or props. Avoid merchandising a run of a certain product. For example, if you are merchandising a t-shirt series, break up the normal face-out, or face-out run with a jet rail bar or shelf with folded apparel. Merchandise 1. Get one of each product and place where you want to see it on the wall. Fill. Backfill all the products on the wall once you are satisfied with the layout. Signage. Create a list of signage you will need for the wall. Take a photo of the finished product and place in your store environment guide as a replenishment tool for a sales or stock team member. For a quick review, 1. Plan. 2. Clean. 3. Layout. 4. Merchandise 1. 5. Fill. 6. Signage. A few items to avoid when merchandising a wall. Merchandising by stacking mugs on each other. If you do need to stack mugs, you should always use a plexi sheet. Featuring a wall of face-outs. Try to cross-merchandise. Anchoring merchandise on a shelf. Now that you have the knowledge to plan and execute a wall presentation, it's time to introduce capacity merchandising. Capacity merchandising is a strategy around maximizing the able space of a fixture or wall presentation. Let's identify a few examples of opportunities in capacity merchandising. When reviewing for capacity, Look for strange gaps in a wall or fixture. In an effort to maximize fixture or wall space, we've created a fixture and wall template tool to assist you in merchandise planning. First, select which template is needed, then use the stencil to assist you with merchandise placement. You will then make a copy of the finished template to give to a supervisor or associate to execute in store. Be sure to indicate the amount of shelves, pegs, crossbars, or hangrail you may need.
I hope you were able to gather information to assist you in visual merchandising here at Delaware North. Because remember, presentation is everything.